Are you trying to choose between Apple Music and Spotify? You're not alone. Both platforms offer great music, but which one is better for you? In this video, we'll compare Apple Music and Spotify. We'll look at what both services do and how they differ. Both Apple Music and Spotify let you stream millions of songs. You can create playlists, discover new music, and listen offline. They both have mobile apps, making it easy to enjoy your favorite tunes anywhere. Let's start with Apple Music. It has a huge library with over 90 million songs. You can also listen to curated playlists and radio stations. Apple Music is great for those who already use Apple products. It integrates well with the Apple ecosystem like Siri and HomePod. Now, let's talk about Spotify. Spotify is known for its personalized playlists. It uses algorithms to suggest music based on what you listen to. Spotify also has a free version which is ad supported. This is a big plus for users who don't want to pay for music. So, what are the key differences? Apple Music doesn't have a free version while Spotify does. Apple Music focuses on curated content while Spotify emphasizes personalization. If you want a more tailored listening experience, Spotify might be the choice for you. When it comes to features, Apple Music has lossless audio and spatial audio, which are great for audiophiles. Spotify offers collaborative playlists, allowing friends to add songs together. In terms of pricing, both platforms have similar subscription plans. However, Spotify's free version makes it more accessible for casual listeners. In the end, if you're an Apple user and want high quality sound, go for Apple Music. If you prefer personalized playlist and a free option, Spotify is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more